Technology is transforming today's society at such a rapid pace, and this is changing what students are learning and how they are learning it in schools today. In the preface of the text, Digital Leadership by Eric Sheninger, this addresses 7 essential skills that help equip students for future innovative jobs. The skill sets are creativity, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, problem solving, technological proficiency, and global awareness. Creativity can be defined as letting an individual explore their imagination using possibilities, alternatives, and test them with consequences or limitations. Children of all ages are encouraged to visualize and exercise their imaginations to practice a skill. Communication is a channel of how information is exchanged from one point to another. Students are taught how to communicate through verbal and facial expressions and physical cues through peer social interactions. Collaboration is a component of peers working together towards an end goal, also known as teamwork. The term critical thinking involves higher order thinking skills and is the ability to evaluate a situation to make judgment if it's right or wrong. There's also a way to think critically in finding other alternatives or solutions, which leads to the term of problem solving. When an individual can problem solve, they not only find one solution, but may propose alternatives and are aware of consequences. This also requires higher order thinking skills through problematic situations. With technology proficiency, an individual can use, manipulate, and implement the digital resources effectively. The final skill is global awareness, which can be defined as having cultural awareness and respect of others. In my own teaching and personal experience, I always teach, you may not accept the difference of other cultures, but you need to respect. There are different cultural social norms which still applies when it comes to the digital world as well. When teaching these skills, age discretion and evaluation of what is developmentally appropriate for the capabilities of the child is a must in approaching technological tools. In primary grades, there's a foundation set for the skills of communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and problem solving. Students first need to have an understanding before being able to digitally manipulate and transition towards proficiency. I feel we give technology too early to students, and it creates a gap in their understanding in academics. There are too many media distractions that can take away from the real skills being taught. The skills can be further developed through intermediate grades of school. The key is to teach students how to use the technology most efficiently and productively, not just because it's there and a substitute subject. With easier access to online content and individual learning devices, schools have learned the value of students learning at their own pace. Instructors must be the facilitators with this learning and give students skills to make the accurate approaches to technology and manipulation of the media tools. As stated in Genesis 11:6, the Lord said, "Behold, they are one people, and they all have the same language, and this is what they began to do. And now nothing which they purpose to do will be impossible for them." Technology has become our international language. It has connected us internationally and keeps advancing many opportunities for us and our future students. We have to teach our students to use this technology efficiently and effectively in a positive way so that nothing is impossible for them.